Hey guys, PhoneArena here, and this is a sample video shot with the Sony Xperia 1. Shooting this video at 4K resolution, 30 frames per second, the maximum quality setting that the camera allows. HDR is disabled for this video. We're gonna now switch to the telephoto lens. This provides 2 times zoom. We're now into software zoom territory, and this is the maximum level allowed, 10 times digital zoom. And we're now back to normal. If I tap on the screen, nothing seems to be happening, so I cannot adjust the exposure with a tap on the fly, at least not in the default camera settings. Now let's see how well the continuous autofocus works. I'm going to introduce a closer object in the frame. Alright, let's switch the focus one more time. Okay, that was a 4K video sample out of the Sony Xperia 1.